This is not a circus. Okay, defence, your questioning of the witness,
Please, of course.
please.
Thank you. I'm grateful, Your Honour. Thank you for the liberty.
I know, please.
Mr. King, did you see Ms. Jean at all from the time you withdrew your car until you found it on
I believe I may have run into her once.
fire? And where did you run into
Near the hospital.
her? And why didn't you give that evidence to my learned friend when he asked you questions about what happened with your car?
Because I didn't think it needed to be mentioned, but I ran into her.
Well, if you ran into her, you were asked some questions moments ago by my friend as to the whereabouts of the vehicle and the time of the incident. You gave no evidence concerning ever running into Miss Jean. In fact, you said she'd never harmed you. Isn't
She never harmed me, no.
that right? So how do you know that it was her that burnt the car?
Here's where it gets roasted.
Your sole allegation or your sole claim is contingent on a photograph which was posted on Twitter. Is that
Me myself have been charged with things I didn't do, but I posted on Twitter.
right? Yes, indeed. And I've sent to the court a copy of the exhibits where you've posted the very same Jeep Trackhawk on fire. Isn't that
Objection, Your Honour. I've looked over those images and there is nothing to prove that those are the same. That is the same Jeep Trackhawk in those images. There is no show of a plate in the images, whereas in this image Bonnie Jean has posted, there's a clear image of the plate. Those are just merely burnt out vehicles. There is no proof that they are Mr. King's Jeep Trackhawk.
right? Your Honour, I'm entitled to ask the witness whether or not he took those photos and whether or not that is his vehicle, which is what I asked. I'd invite my friend to listen carefully to the question.
No, they were not my vehicles, but I did take the pictures.
So you've taken pictures with burnt out cars, correct?
Yes.
He's just trapped him.
And indeed,
He's just trapped
the Jeep Trackhawk in question is one that you purchased and posted a tweet about saying that you had wrecked it 50 times in 2 days since buying it.
I didn't purchase it, though. It was a gift.
Correct?
Yes, I did crash it a few times, but that
And
was
you
really the exaggeration.
And you posted a tweet saying, with you in a selfie position, if I'm correct, standing there with your Jeep on its head, i.e. flipped over, saying, since 2 days since I got this thing, and I've wrecked it 50 times.
Objection, Your Honour. There's no proof that that is the same Jeep in question.
That's correct?
It is merely a Jeep.
Okay,
I'm asking.
okay. Mr. King,
Yes,
clarify for us, is that the same Jeep in the pictures?
Yes.
It is, okay, perfect.
In what pictures? Wait, in what pictures?
In the one that you have sent, the one where you described you've wrecked this vehicle 50 times in 2 days.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So that is your vehicle.
Yes, it's obviously
That
I
is,
didn't have a license at that moment in time.
I don't care about your license. Is that vehicle in that tweet the same vehicle that is being accused of being destroyed by the defence, Miss Jean?
Yes.
It is. Okay, perfect. Now we have clarification on that. Shall we continue with our questioning?
Most grateful, Your Honour. Thank you. I'm indebted to you. Mr. King, it's fair to say that you have fair reckless regard for your motor vehicle.
Well, no, I do care about my Jeep. I clean it every day, get it repaired every day.
Isn't you get it repaired because it's wrecked every day because of your driving.
No, I never crash it anymore. I drive legally at 60 km an hour in public roads.
Correct? Right, but the reality remains that other than a Twitter photo from Ms. Jean's account, you did not see her pour out petrol onto your motor vehicle?
No, I did not, but it was either her or somebody she was with.
I'm grateful for your answering the question that I asked. And you didn't see her light any matches, did you?
No, I did not. As I said, I was nowhere
He's
near
just
it. I was
been
busy
fucked.
driving around in my
He's
limo.
fucked. He's lost it.
Exactly, and in fact you'd seen her somewhere else.
Jesus.
And you're just drawing the two together because she was in the area, correct?
No, she was nowhere near where my car was parked.
Right, so how do you say that she
And
put it on fire?
an hour before.
Even Embol put his
So how
hands
do you
over
say
his
that
head.
she's the one that caused the damage to your car?
Obviously, the picture and her hatred for me.
Right, so you're just drawing an inference you expect this court to believe on a case that you've brought,
This is awesome.
and you've brought everyone here to this honourable courtroom troubling this court based on a Twitter photo that anyone could have taken. You accept that?
Well, I choose not to answer that.
You're my witness. You'll answer the questions that are put to you, or I'll ask for the judge to hold you in contempt.
Answer the question, Mr. King.
No, ask the question again, please.
You have brought everyone here from this honourable gallery, including His Honour, the Chief Judge, to of this honourable court, based on speculation
Tully, can you
your
unban
feelings towards Ms.
Blue the Don,
Jean
please?
and the fact that she's posted a photo on social media,
It's got nothing to do with my feelings towards her.
correct?
Sorry,
You
Blue.
just gave evidence moments
because
ago,
you
Mr.
gave a
King.
link.
I'd ask you to be consistent in your
Thanks,
answers if
Tully.
you can. That you didn't see her light, you didn't see her pour gasoline on your car, contrary to what you claim, and you didn't see her light any matches. And in fact, you don't even know if she did it. Your evidence is that it was her or somebody that she was with, correct?
Thank you very much, Ozzy Osbourne.
Yes,
Correct.
How's it going, buddy?
And you've in fact taken photos of burning vehicles.
This is what I want court to be like.
Yes,
Objection, Your Honour. What relevance does
Grounds?
that have?
Okay,
Correct.
what was the question again, sorry?
The witness has in fact burnt vehicles and taken photos of them, which is part of the exhibit bundle, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honour. I'd just like to know what relevance him
Honour.
taking images of burning vehicles has to...
Well, it's of central relevance in circumstances
would-
where that's the best evidence that he's got
Okay,
of my client
I'd
burning
rather the judge answer
I
that
would
question.
I would say that it is pretty relevant based on the fact that Mr. King's evidence is exactly the same. A picture of a burnt out car as posted on social media by Miss Jean. So what I'm going to do is let's move this along, shall we?
vehicle. Please, the court, Your Honor.
Okay.
I only have one other.
Perfect. You've got one more question.
I only have one other line of inquiry. I'm so sorry. I only have a couple of questions, and I'll be no more than 2.
It is pretty fun. Thanks, Tully.
That's... Mr. King, have you sent threatening messages to Ms. Jean?
no.
I'd ask Your Honor to have regard to Exhibit 6 of the documentary bundle that I've provided. It's true that you have a hatred towards Ms. Jean, don't you?
No, I have a hatred towards her friend, Miss Bloyd.
And you've fabricated this case because you've lost some motor vehicle, correct?
Well, yes.
Your Honor, I asked for this case to be dismissed, and I asked for the cost of this proceeding. The witness's testimony cannot be consistent with maintenance of this case.
You don't like the guy defending, really? Why's that? Yeah, so I can't believe I just heard what you said there, Mr. King. And quite honestly, I'm now inclined to have you charged with providing false statements and contempt of court for wasting our time. You've just admitted to the fabricating of a case just to get some petty revenge on someone.
It's not for revenge, Your Honor.
Objection. Your Honour, how is he... I'd just like clarification on the fabrication of a statement. Is this in regards to Exhibit 6, the text messages?
No, this is in regards to the question. Did you fabricate this case? To which your client just said yes.
He fucked up.
Your client just stated under oath that he fabricated this case as a means to get back at Miss Jean.
Oh no, it's nothing to do with Miss Jean and my hatred's with her friend, Miss Bloyd.
Correct. Thank you.
Yeah,
You have just stated, you have just stated, Mr. King, under oath that you fabricated this case. As a result, this case will not be going forward. The plaintiff, this court is going to be found in favour of the defendant. The plaintiff is to pay the defendant's legal fees. This case is over. Pardon?
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, this case is over. The next case will begin in 2 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Grateful.
Get wrecked.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
You get a toy.
Shit hit the fan.
Once the apes are finished, I just want to apologise, Your Honour.
That's fine. Mate.
I'm so terribly sorry, Your Honor.
Yeah, I apologise for Kenneth,
that's
obviously,
no, that's
obviously,
quite. No, I thought you did very well. No, I thought you did very
Wow.
well. The cost order against
Yeah,
Mr.
no.
King.
Could have seen earlier. He's
Don't worry about
Like, come on.
the whole
Congratulations.
hearing. Obviously, you've both been brought in very last minute. It was an extremely interesting session, I must say. One of the best civil cases we've had.
I mean, if he's going to sit there and admit to fabricating it,
Yeah, you're fucked, man. What are you gonna do?
What's the
Yeah,
point?
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
what am I going to do at that point? Like,
Yeah.
That's right. In terms
I
of
had all
legal
these
fees-
excellent legal submissions. I'll go and send them to you. If you
I'll tell you what, though.
I said,
You're the only person to ever defeat me in court. I was undefeated in
Like-
every case until now, so...
and it's
Thanks,
his
brother.
first. It's his first.
Yeah, that's your
Tonight-
first case, and you've technically just taken down the best
It's-
case.
it's actually not my first case. I'm actually a trained barrister, and I actually represent clients in court. Dude.
Yeah, no, but this is your first case here.
Oh.
Yeah, true.
So yeah.
But then again, he did admit to fabricating the case, so fuck my
Yeah.
life.
You can't do anything about that. I thought you did extremely well, man. I gotta say, I thought you did excellent.
still one more case.
In terms of the legal
Um,
fees, just send through your legal fees to.
What are they?
Yeah, do you know what your legal
I've
fees?
agreed.
Great case.
Yeah, I agreed
Oh,
with these
shit.
people that they'd pay me $500,000. So that's what I'm.
Excuse me,
That's
Your
the
Honour,
plan.
So that Miss... Yeah, there is another one. That
No,
Miss
no.
Jean is $500,000? Or...
Yeah, I was gonna charge my client $500,000 for that case, and I'd seek the cost.
Oh,
from
okay,
the
that-
plaintiff.
Oh, yeah, we can sort that out.
Should I talk to you guys afterwards and not ruin the courtroom?
Yeah, we can
No,
sort that out.
we're
Yeah, we'll
just
sort that out.
preparing for the criminal case now.
Yeah, sure. I'll just leave. I just might sit up the back and see how this one goes.
Yep, no
I'm
worries.
just going to go talk to, I believe, the police officer that's in the back room. Let me just...
Yeah, no worries.
Have a word.
He's in there waiting for you.
Thanks so much. Okay, that was a lot of fun. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, mate. I gotta keep
How's it going, Mario?
Excuse me, Your Honour. Did you actually want Kenneth charged with anything? Because he's just bolted out. I'm not sure if we were actually going to...
Look, I really should, but I think $500,000 legal fees will be enough for him.
Yep.
So
Alright.
don't worry too much about that.
So,
Jeez.
wait,
That guy was good. I'm surprised.
Yeah, he
his
is very
legal
good.
fees
Yeah, can you sit down?
$500,000.
You sit down.
wow.
Yeah, it's 000, and if you
But-
don't sit
but
down,
you-
you'll be in school.
I'm not sure if you saw the case, but it's definitely worth the money.
Short and spicy.
I've never seen anything like it.
Short
It
and
was
spicy
great.
count.
I loved it.
What am I gonna do?
199.
What did I miss, boys? What did I miss?
Oh, g'day,
some
mate.
plaintiff got absolutely
There you go,
rinsed.
guys. Some plaintiff.
Oh,
He got absolutely
yeah, we had a lawyer who'd never lost
Oh,
a
I can
case,
hear-
just get demolished. It was great.
Yeah, I could hear that Julian nonce talking from the back.
Yeah.